And in fact, we're getting in some breaking news that's coming up at this point in time. An 18-year-old youth was beaten to death by a group of 5 men in Delhi. Youth was assaulted over his friendship with a girl outside his community. The girl's family had in fact objection to their friendship. The 2 accused, including the girl's brother, have been nabbed, while 3 minor accused have been apprehended. Let me in fact go across to Alok for more details. Alok, a shocking incident here that's come to light. What can you tell us?
Well, yes, Avni, this is a shocking incident that happened in the national capital, Adarsh Nagar area. This is in Northwest District where this person, Rahul Rajput, was staying with his family members, but he was having friendship with a girl from another community, and the girl's family members were not, in fact, happy with their relationship. And in fact, the girl's brother was also having some kind of argument earlier as well. But on Wednesday, this person who was pursuing BA from, that means the graduation from the open school, and he used to teach the school students as well. So the accused persons called him to talk on the tuition issue, and when he came out from his house, the allegations are that he was beaten up all these 5 persons very badly, due to which he received critical injuries. He was taken to the hospital where he died during the treatment. Now the family member says that the accused persons are the person, one of them is the brother of the girl, and he allegedly beaten him up because they were not happy with the relationship which he was having with the girl. As of now, police said that all 5 persons have been now nabbed and in the custody of police. 2 of them are major, however 3 of them are minor. So their further interrogations are on. But the family demands justice, and there is a little bit chaotic situation in the area as well, because that is matter related to the 2 communities. So police has also been deployed in the area so that they could maintain the peace and calm in that particular area. Back to you.
All right, Alok, thank you for joining us with those details. The extremely unfortunate incident that's come to light.